Dusseldorf. Fashion, fortune, and a river that's seen it all. And you're still stuck at the back of a group craning to hear. Group tours that rush you down Königsallée in minutes, then hurry you out of the Altstadt before the stories behind its cobblestones even sink in. Uvamai's Dusseldorf self-guided audio tour puts 14 of the city's most compelling stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Wander the elegant boulevard of Königsallée. Lose yourself in the world's longest bar, the historic Altstadt. Climb toward panoramic views at the Rheinturm. Discover the birthplace of poet Heinrich Heine in the modern curves of Mienhofen. 14 stops. One unforgettable walk through the Rhine's most stylish city. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Dusseldorf, not just photograph it. $6. 14 audio guides. A city of fashion and fortune. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com